I love any kind of dessert with fruits. These yummy banana muffins are topped with delicious buttercream, chopped with walnuts and apples, which gives them a wonderful moist. If you are looking for easy and very quick snack, this is perfect recipe for you. Let's prepare a few ingredients and then we'll combine them together. We'll start with 1 cup of granulated sugar. Next, we'll need 2 sticks of butter, which you need to melt. As well, we'll need room temperature 2 eggs. Crack them and place on the side. In the separate bowl, we'll crush 3 ripe bananas until you have almost like a yogurt consistency, just like that. Now we can get started. In a large mixing bowl, beat sugar with eggs until you have fluffy and this beautiful pale color. Then slowly pour your melted, cooled down butter. Add banana mixture and water. Mix all the ingredients on high speed. For dry ingredients, sift flour, baking soda, baking powder, and pinch of salt. Then add your chopped walnuts. Using your baking spoon, incorporate all the ingredients without any dry spots. For some extra flavors, add 1 dice a large crispy apple and gently mix again. Fill the lined muffin cups more than halfway and baked in preheated oven at 350 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes. Next, delicious buttercream. On low-medium heat, melt white chocolate with heavy cream, then remove from the heat and cool down. Using kitchen mixer, beat on high speed soft unsalted butter. For fluffy consistency, in the separate bowl, beat 2 egg whites with sugar, which you need to place on a separate bowl with boiling water. And here we need to warm up the egg whites, plus the sugar needs to dissolve completely. Then remove from the heat and using hand mixer continue beating on high speed until glossy and stiff. It should have almost melted marshmallow consistency. Going back to butter, add your melted white chocolate. Continue beating on high speed. Next, using your baking spoon, gradually incorporate meringue with the butter mixture. You will notice your buttercream will start having this beautiful, fluffy, airy consistency. Then pop it to the fridge just to cool down the cream. Now we can decorate those beauties. Using a piping bag, pipe the cream. Decorate each muffin. Here I'm using 118 decorating tip to create this fun open flower. To have this beautiful finishing touch, sprinkle with cinnamon. And there you have delicious banana apple muffin with buttercream. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, don't forget to like this video and subscribe. You can always find me on my blog, Instagram or Facebook. I hope to see you next time. Bye bye!